Can Akitas compete in dog sports like agility? Akitas, also known as Akita Inus, are a majestic and powerful breed originating from Japan. Known for their loyalty and protective nature, Akitas have gained popularity among dog enthusiasts around the world. While they excel as guard dogs and companions, one might wonder if Akitas can also participate in dog sports, specifically agility. Agility is a sport that showcases a dog's agility, speed, and obedience. It involves navigating through obstacles such as tunnels, weave poles, seesaws, and jumps in a timed competition. Many breeds excel in agility, including Border Collies, Shetland Sheepdogs, and Australian Shepherds. However, the question remains, can Akitas be successful in this sport? To answer this question, we must consider the characteristics and temperament of Akitas. Akitas are known for their independent and strong-willed nature. They are highly intelligent dogs with a sense of self-confidence, which can both positively and negatively affect their performance in agility. On one hand, Akitas' intelligence allows them to quickly learn and understand agility commands. With consistent and positive training methods, Akitas can become skilled at navigating obstacles. Their natural athleticism and strong bodies also give them an advantage in certain aspects of agility, such as jumping and climbing. On the other hand, Akitas' independent nature can be a challenge in agility competitions. Unlike some other breeds, Akitas may not naturally look to their handlers for guidance and direction. This can make it difficult for handlers to communicate with their Akitas during the fast-paced agility courses. Additionally, Akitas can be stubborn and may choose to ignore or disobey commands if they are not properly motivated. However, it is important to note that individual differences within the breed can greatly impact a specific Akita's ability to compete in agility. Some Akitas may possess a more biddable nature and may be more inclined to follow their handlers' cues. Others may have a higher prey drive or motivation for treats, making them more responsive to training in agility. To be successful in agility, Akitas require proper training, socialization, and exposure to different environments. Early socialization is crucial to ensure they are comfortable around other dogs and people. Positive reinforcement techniques should be used to motivate Akitas and keep their attention during training sessions. While Akitas may face some challenges in agility, there have been successful stories of Akitas excelling in this sport. With dedicated owners who understand their breed's specific needs and characteristics, Akitas can participate and thrive in agility competitions. It may require additional time, patience, and training compared to more naturally inclined breeds, but it is certainly possible. It is also important to remember that agility is not the only dog sport available. Akitas can excel in other activities such as obedience trials, nose work, and rally obedience, where their intelligence and loyalty can be effectively utilized. In conclusion, while Akitas may face some challenges due to their independent nature, they can indeed compete in dog sports like agility. With the right training, socialization, and motivation, Akitas can become proficient in navigating agility courses and showcase their athleticism. It is essential for owners to understand and work with their Akita's individual personality traits to ensure a